PLS Revolve from BARWALT consistently spaces tiles and removes lippage all at once. It is a reusable precision leveling system that is great for floors and walls. The PLS Revolve spins down quickly and doesn't require any extra tools to tighten and level tiles. Hand tightening removes the chances of applying too much force and snapping the bases before the thin set has cured. The PLS Revolve bases come in 1/8 and 1/16 of an inch spacings. These bases keep your tiles evenly spaced for clean, consistent grout lines. You can easily snap off PLS Revolve after the thin set has dried. Use a rubber mallet to hit the caps in line with the grout joint so the bases break off cleanly below the tile. Kicking with a work boot is also a great way to remove the spacers and caps. Unscrew and discard the spacer bases and keep the caps for the next job. The PLS Revolve works with our reusable anti-scratch discs. They are great for when you need protection on surfaces that could become scratched. Easily get consistent tile spacing and remove lippage with PLS Revolve from BARWALT. For more information, visit Marshalltown.com.